Ooh, hey guys, how you doing? So this tutorial is gonna be about me doing my eyes using my Sasha Cosmetics makeup. Oh yes. So this what is before is actually their pressed powder, and I believe it's in mocha. Now I'm going in with their palette. Now I'm not sure where exactly has the palette, but I know where where I has it in stock. Let me correct myself, but I know Fontana Pharmacy has it, Vivian's Beauty Supply in Portmore has it, and the Beauty Warehouse in Portmore has it as well. So you can probably Google those and see if they're close by you, and call them and see if they have it. So basically, I think I've done a similar eye look to this before, but I just sat down and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film, and I'm only going to film my eyes. Let me know if this is something that you'd be interested in, with me focusing on just one part of the tutorial. So me just focusing on eyes, me focusing on lips, me focusing on foundation, me focusing on blending, me focusing on contouring. Let me know your thoughts about that, or if the unedited videos, they do it for you, because I love filming the unedited videos. Yes, they're really long, and I rarely edit. I just cut to like the good parts, as in I'm not going to show you guys when I get up and go for something. Sometimes I do, I prefer not to, but in the event that I do, let me know if that's what you like, because I love filming those. Because when it's time to edit, I just piece the clips together and click save, add music if I need to add music, do a voiceover if I need to do a voiceover, and I'm good to go. So let me know if this is something that you'd be interested in. Now, I don't believe I was looking away and just talking to you guys, but the orange, the single color that you saw me use is their blush, again from Sasha Cosmetics JA. They're on Instagram, and that blush is in Amber Glow. This blush this blush has been my eyeshadow since I got it, has been my blush since I've gotten it. This eyeshadow is so versatile, and I am in love with my Amber Glow. Amber Glow, I think so. Or Amber Dust, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just going in with different varying colors, and I'm deepening as I go. Now if you notice, my eyes were a little bit dark before because I had put on the press powder, the press powder in mocha, I believe, the darker one. And what that did, it created a base for the darker colors. So this may come off wrong, but it's giving a little muddy effect. It's giving me the depth that I want. So that was the idea behind me going in with a darker color as my all over color. So now I'm deepening with like the pinks and the light purples, and I'm just mixing and matching colors, to be quite honest with you. Whenever I do my makeup, I rarely think about what I'm going to do and how it's going to be executed. I just sit down, think of a look that I want to try, and I do it. Or I sit down and just start doing makeup, and whatever happens. So this is their eyeshadow adhesive, and it's in white, and this is what I'm going to be using. This is what I am using rather to cut the crease. Now this cut the crease is quite common, and I'm sorry if I keep going back to it. It is just a striking look, and believe it or not, there are people who have not yet mastered it, one, and there are people yet who have not even tried it. My classes are coming up in Tamarack, Florida, so you can go ahead and register on my website, LyricRochester.com. The end date for the $100 off was on the 1st of May, but I'm extending it until the 12th of May, and that is my, our son's birthday, Jonathan Henry. His birthday, he'll be 3 years old, so I'm ending the $100 off on his birthday. Now, the reason behind me filling up my eyes with color and then cutting it is so that the cut crease can be a bit more striking. No, and less time consuming. Now I could have used the white, you know what I mean, to cut the crease and everything, but without the colors being there, it wouldn't be as sharp. It's like lights versus darks, you know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. But yeah, so what I do find with this palette is that it is very patchy. It is hella patchy, and you have to incorporate a lot of finesse when using this palette. I am going to warn you from now. I mean, the smaller palettes that I've been using, those are patchy as well, but like this one is extremely hella patchy. So a lot of thinness has to be taken into consideration whenever you're using this palette. I'm not sure if the other palettes are like that because I have a nude one. I'm not sure if it's like this, but I know for this one it is patchy. So please keep that in mind when you're purchasing or before purchasing the palette. But yeah, so the deal ends on the 12th of May. I'm completely excited. I cannot wait to come back. I'll be going to Tamarack and yeah, Tamarack, Florida. What else? December makeup classes. They'll be in either Montego Bay or Ochi. When I come back from Florida, I'll know for sure where I'll be having it. Where else? Next year, oh my god, you guys, 2019, I really want to do a class in New York, but I'll only be doing one class in one class next year abroad, because I want next year to be focused on more business travels. So I want to go to a couple of expos. I really want to go to IMATS next year, so I'm looking into that as well. I also want to go for educational purposes. I really want to be trained by Priscilla Ono. Oh my gosh, really want to be trained by her. So yeah. So I really don't have much to say. I've updated you the best I can. I was just looking back to see if Jonathan was up. Oh, I need to tell you guys this. The reason why I rarely talk in my tutorials is that at the time of filming, it's in the morning. It's like in the morning, so I don't want to be talking and wake up Jonathan. I don't want to talk and have to whisper, you know, because sometimes when I turn up my voice in post, it's still not loud enough whenever I rewatch it. So this is why I choose to do my voiceovers, and the reason, so I'm using both La Peach and La Bronze for this tutorial. Yeah, continuing. So the reason, as I said before, why certain songs are staple or constant over here on my channel, it's because I do not get a copyright strike. I have been getting copyright strikes for songs now that I've used 3, 4, 5 years ago. I've been getting emails saying this song is copywritten, song is copywritten, song is copywritten. So yeah, that's frustrating. So I want to move towards the route of just doing voiceovers and not doing music. But again, I'm home alone, so this voiceover could be possible. Yeah, I hope that explains some stuff for you guys. So this is it for this tutorial, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for staying with me. Do not forget to subscribe, please, guys. Oh gosh, and you have to click the notification bell, because if you don't, YouTube will not, I will not show up in your subscription box. You have to click the notification bell. So I'm putting on Bounce on it, and it's from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, obviously. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Kisses, kisses.
Mama wants some Obama in me. The hood won't pop, hip-hop wanna see the common in me. And since it's a senseless contradiction, I end up a misfit trying to fit in. This ends when I stand up and see the hands of the standard. Holy is the Lamb, Now we holding you to man up, cause we were made in His image. Start looking at what you came from. Right after Adam, every atom in our anatomies, adamant, after what added, I is against. Let me take you back to the dream.